Guys, so today we are going to talk about what Deepika Padukone, she talked about mental health, right? So Deepika Padukone is a prominent Indian actress, specifically working in Bollywood film industry, right? So basically she talked about mental health, and she's a major mental health advocate. She has openly been discussing her battle with depression and the broader issue of mental health, particularly in India, where the topic has traditionally been stigmatized, right? Her candid conversations and initiatives on this subject have played a significant role in raising awareness and changing perceptions around mental health in India and beyond as well, right? So, here's a detailed overview of her contributions to mental health advocacy, right? So let's first look at the personal experience which she had with depression, right? So Deepika Padukone first opened about, let's say, about her own struggles with depression in 2015, right? So she shared how, at the peak of her film career, she found herself battling a sense of emptiness and directionlessness altogether, which were, let's say, symptoms of clinical depression altogether, right? Despite her initial reluctance to acknowledge her condition due to societal stigma, she sought professional help, right? Deepika's decision to speak openly about her experiences was groundbreaking in a society where mental health issues are often, let's say, hidden due to fear of social ostracization, right? So that happens. So let's talk about her Live, Love, Life Foundation. So, following her recovery, Deepika founded the Live, Love, La Foundation in 2015, aimed at giving hope to those going through similar struggles, right? The foundation focuses on three primary areas, right? So, what is the first one? So, it talks about awareness and destigmatization, right? So, through various campaigns, the foundation works to destigmatize mental illness and spread awareness about the importance of mental health, right? Then it aims to break the silence surrounding mental health issues and encourage open conversations, right? Let's look at the second aspect, which is support and outreach, right? So the foundation collaborates with other organizations to provide individuals with access to quality mental health services, right? It focuses on supporting those struggling with mental health issues, offering them resources and guidance to seek professional help, right? So let's look at the third aspect. So they also do research and advocacy, right? Recognizing the lack of data on mental health in India, the foundation supports research in the field, right? It advocates for policy change and better mental health care facilities, aiming to make mental health care more accessible to everyone around, right? Which is a very good thing. They also do a lot of public speaking and advocacy, right? So here, Deepika has used her platform as a celebrated actress to speak at various national and international forums about mental health, right? She has been part of, let's say, discussions at the World Economic Forum, where she emphasized the global nature of the mental health crisis and the need for a collective effort, let's say, in addressing it, right? Through her talks, she emphasizes that mental health issues do not discriminate by socio-economic status, and it can affect anyone, right? Now let's look at the key messages and insights, right? So mental health is everyone's issue, right? So Deepika stresses that mental health is as important as physical health and should not be neglected, right? She encourages people to seek help when needed and to support loved ones through who are going through, let's say, mental health challenges, right? So they also emphasize the role of the workplace, right? She has spoken about the importance of supportive work environments that prioritize mental well-being and offer resources for employees struggling with mental health issues altogether, which is a very good thing, right? She also talks about removing the stigma, right? A significant part of her message is aimed at destigmatizing mental health conditions, right? She advocates for open conversations and a cultural shift towards accepting mental health struggles, and they should be accepted like as a part of the human condition, right? She also talks about self-care, right? So Deepika talks about the importance of self-care and finding joy in small things, right? She highlights the role of exercise, a balanced diet, and hobbies in maintaining mental well-being, right? So which is very good of her. So finally I would like to conclude by saying that Deepika Padukone's work in mental health advocacy has had a profound impact, particularly in India, right? By bringing attention to a subject that was previously taboo, right? Her foundation, public speaking, and personal story have inspired many to seek help and have fostered a more open dialogue about mental health, right? So Deepika's efforts show the power of using one's platform for social change and the importance of addressing mental health issues openly and compassionately, right? So that's about it in today's video. Thank you so much. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and more such videos are coming your way. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot.